May polskie konan. Ako'y Ibn Malyari. Nining Aldo. Munta kataking Manila. Hidup naning 777-300. And because again this is a flying video, the main language will be English. So everything's ready. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's remove that jetway. Turn down the dome lights. Get things properly situated here. Doors to manual. Everything's closed here. Cabin lights. Let's turn those down to takeoff levels. And we're going to use a single engine taxi. We've got a bit far of a way to go, so let's go ahead and call the pushback.
Great news, Captain. Your tow's coming.
Start the hydraulic. Oh, no. Ground crew, thank you for your service.
Listening.
We'll see you guys.
Clear all personnel,
other
please.
side.
Very well, sir. All clear.
All clear. So let's go ahead and seatbelt sign to auto. Because we're done fueling. Go with this.
Ram air turbine switch.
Oh, let's not touch that. Beacon light goes on.
All right. Looks like the doors and hatches are closed and we're ready to connect.
Please connect. Let's go. And if you're asking the reason we're using United instead of Philippine Airlines, even though the channel's main language is a Filipino language, is because we want to park at Terminal 3. Even denied Terminal 1, even denied Terminal 3, you know why I prefer Terminal 3. I like it a lot better. So we're going to park at Terminal 3 after we get to Manila, which is on the other side of the Pacific. So got a bit of I'm not going to call it a jog. It's a run, not really a hop. We're just going to go. It's a going. Time to go.
Welcome aboard, Captain. Tow's connected. Bypass pins inserted. Go and kill the parking brake when you're ready to go.
Parking brake is released.
Here comes the pushback. Light them up.
Will do. Or at least one of them.
See you next time, sir.
See you next time.
Thank you very much.
Go ahead and start that up. In there, fuel, introduce fuel, and that will be our engine for the single engine taxi. 28 left, by the way, is that's 19 left. So 28 left would be this one right here. So we have to make our way out there. Another United 777. Who knows where it's going? We don't really want to think about that at this point. We are heavy. The airplane is fat today. We like our airplanes fat. The taxi cam on because we need it. We're not going to be able to see without it. Got our engine started for our single engine taxi. Let's save us some fuel.
Just about done here. Go ahead and set your parking brake.
Parking brake is set, taxi man, sir.
And we're disconnecting the tow. Give me just a moment.
Please do just that. So we've got our engine on. Got a nice long airplane on a long flight today in our long haul. Like I said, I don't do a whole lot of flight simulation videos on my other channel. Oh, sorry. I said to the other channel, but I don't know what flight simulation is on this channel. This is the third one on this channel, but yes. If demand comes, I'll do it, but still mostly focused on travel vlogs. That's just the way it's gonna be. Alright, we're clear. Rudder is working.
And we're disconnected. Signal and pin on the left. Take it easy and have a safe flight.
Aileron's working. He's out of here. Taxi light on. Gosh, that camera is useless. Camera lights on.
How can I help you?
Sir, the cabin is secure and safety briefing has been completed.
Okay, will do. Thank you. 15. Parking brake off. Let go. With our single engine taxi. Oh my gosh. The airplane is just that heavy. Okay, now I broke the friction. Is that a thunderstorm? Oh no. Alright, let's get out of here. See you guys on the runway. Alright, we're here on 28 left, so let's get... Oh, the sun is coming up. Sunrise takeoff. Sunrise landing. Okay. Go ahead and set that. Landing lights will go on. Switch this back to the engine. That camera light off. Strobes on. This goes on. Hit the WXRs. Anything coming or going? Nope. Let's leave in the San Francisco sunrise. Let's go.
Approaching 28 left.
Time to get out of here before the sun comes up. Then we'll be flying
On
east
runway
into the sun, so
28 left.
stable. No, take off power. Let's go. Knots. See, we got a very high V1 in VR today, so that's why I didn't derate the takeoff. V1.
V1.
Rotate.
Held down.
I don't think that's wind, it's our wings not having the full effect of lift. You're up.
VNAV speed.
Okay, that's good. I'll throttle back to climb power at around 2,000 feet. back. Auto throttle active. Oh,
Auto throttle on.
active.
Rust reference.
Let's get back on course. I got to arm it, silly me. And now it's on. Start pulling the flaps in. Continue our climb. It's a little bit foggy, so I'll go ahead and do autopilot early. Why not? Because it's also nighttime, so autopilot on.
Autopilot engaged. Autopilot engaged.
Alright, there we go. See you guys at cruise. We are here at cruise, and this airplane is large. You can see the engine outside is just massive. So 30,000 feet heading over the Pacific, and things are looking good. So we'll be step climbing throughout the flight, and be a bit of a long one. So stay with us and enjoy the in-flight entertainment. See you guys on descent. We're back, and as you can see, after a good, what? It's been... You can look right here. 13.5-hour jog, not even a jog. We are over the
Heading
islands
to
of the
course.
Philippines and getting ready to descend with a much lighter aircraft. So the first thing I'm going to do is reset the MCP to 2,000 feet. Yeah, we step climbed to 34,000. Okay, reset that to 2,000 feet.
Flight level 020.
Wake
Set.
up cursor.
Listening.
A cup of coffee, if it doesn't trouble you.
Certainly.
Wake myself up as a captain here. That cup of coffee. And now we start getting ready to descend. So, cursor.
What can I do for you?
Get ready.
I would ask you to make an announcement now.
Of course, sir.
Actually, listen to it.
Gentlemen, as we start our descent, make sure your seats are in an
And we're
upright
going-
position, your tray tables are
Here?
stowed, and your windows are open. Make sure your seatbelt is securely fastened,
Yeah,
and your
that's
luggage
kinda
is stowed
short.
under the seat in front of you, or in an overhead bin. Please turn off all electronic
Okay.
devices until we are safely parked at the gate. We hope you found our flight enjoyable.
Romeo,
We
Papa,
remind you that
Lima.
cushions and blankets, as well as any items you found on
11.
board, are to be left in your seats.
13, I mean. Wait, what runway are we landing on? 13. Where'd I get 11 from? 6,000 feet. Yeah. You're gonna need to be rather precise
Heading
on
to course.
this one. So let's go with performance. Airport search. Romeo Papa Lima Lima. Brakes might get a little hot. We've got a sensor failure in the wheels, but we'll be on the ground when that happens, so it won't be too big a deal. Bus reading. Oh my gosh. Show landing. I'm sorry.
VNAV path. Auto throttle
No,
lab.
Romeo Papa Lima Lima, and our descent has officially started. So
Auto throttle
we're gonna
hold.
have a heck of a lot of reverse going on. I'm gonna put good. Flaps full, anti-ice off, brakes. I'm gonna go brakes 3 on this. Weight and balance. So we should be arriving with. It was like 36, so we minus 2,000 off the what we have right now. So take 2,000 off this, so it's 478.7. I'm gonna put that in. I put landing weight 478. Oh, what happened there? Not yet. A lot of weird stuff happened there. 478. 700. You have add 5. Wind on the ground in Manila is 110 at 09 knots, but it's changing. Outside air temperature is 32.
Heading to course.
1012 is the pressure on the ground. Let's go ahead and set that here. We had some high pressure in San Francisco. Let's set to 1012 here. You can just hit the button on the way down. Okay. And calculate it. Stopping distance is 9,000 feet. On a 6,000 foot run. That is not going to be okay. Max brakes, calculate. 6,000 feet on a 6,000 foot runway. So yeah. Full reverser. It's gonna be interesting. You have to go manual braking here, but we're gonna get hot. So yeah. Anyways, we will. I don't like this. Gonna have just enough to stop if we land perfectly. Okay, all right. It's gonna be very interesting. I don't want to take this runway, but hey, it's what we've been assigned. Alright, so that's that. I will see you guys on final. Right, we can take the power out. Start descending some
300.
more. Why the heck are we on this runway?
200, approaching minimums. 100, minimums. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
And we're down. Reverse immediately. Reverse immediately. I said reverse immediately. Alright, reversers aren't working. I got no reversers. Alright, brakes.
3,000 feet remaining.
Hard brakes.
2,000 feet remaining.
There we go, now I got reversers. Okay, there we go. Now we got reversers. That was not good, but hey. And our brakes are probably on fire. We can just go ahead and vacate right away. I'm not sure what they were thinking on that one, putting us on that runway. Oh my gosh, I do not want to do that again. Like I said, I did not want that runway. Let's get off. We used the whole runway for landing. That was not fun. At all. But we're down in Manila. And I'm going to go ahead and bring the aircraft to a full stop. Have the purser make that PA call.
What can I do for you?
On
Feel
ground.
free to make an announcement now.
Sure thing.
Everything is here. Turn the APU on. WXR off. WXR off. Got terrain. Terrain off. Terrain off. This goes to off. I need to check my gear because we're probably real hot. Okay, we're not as hot as I thought we were. And turn this to TARA. Okay, let's go ahead and see at the gate, which is right there. So maybe a little bit of speed up will do it. Go to Terminal 3 in real life. Welcoming you to Manila, all the way from San Francisco. We did it! That was crazy. A lot of not so desirable things happened on that flight. We got a sensor busted. We're going to get a maintenance call shortly. And our brakes are hot as well, so we can stop. Idle. Parking brake for the first time in 15 hours. We reset the trim to an acceptable level. Oh, right there. Okay, taxi light off. Oh, turn these off. And my strobes are still on too. Okay, so that's that. Turn these back on. So our APU is running. We've had plenty of time to cool down, so engine shut down. And we've got a little bit of heat over here. And shut down. off. Turn these off. Go ahead and turn these off. Shut down the outside hydraulic pumps. With the demand pumps on the engines that are no longer running. Whew. And let's go ahead and get the beacon light off. And we've got our jetway coming in. Per shore, please, doors to manual.
All doors to manual mode.
All disarmed and cross-checked.
Ground crew, please.
Good day.
Flight
How do you
directors
hear?
off.
Good to hear you, sir. The ground personnel is at your service.
Yeah, be careful. We've got a bit of a hot brakes going on over there. So, yeah, gear service is coming after that weird landing. So, get some chocks.
Ground? We need some equipment connected.
What can I bring you?
Chocks.
Chocks.
Certainly.
And the gate while you're at it.
Ground? We need some equipment connected.
Which, sir?
Boarding gate.
Yes, of course.
So bring those two things while you're at it. You can go ahead and release the passengers. Let them start getting their things. Open this up. Turn those on. The brakes cool down. Oh, and then go ahead and chocks are in. Gate is coming. Chocks are in. I'm gonna go ahead and shut this down. Shut these down. Yes.
I am all ears.
Captain, during an inspection, we found an issue.
Which was?
Tell me what's wrong.
Some of the brakes are in poor condition.
You think?
We can fix it now for you, sir.
Please do.
Yes, sure.
We had a bit of a crazy landing there. So anyways, loading service. Get the cargo off, please. Get the catering.
We would like you to unload the catering.
Definitely.
Get the cargo.
Please start unloading the luggage.
Yes.
And let the passengers go bye-bye.
We are ready for the passengers to disembark.
Yes, sir. We'll ask passengers to disembark immediately.
Alright. Go get your bags. And that's it. We have arrived safely in Manila after a... Let's see what it still say. 13-hour and 44-minute job. So, that's that. Anyways, thank you guys for watching the last video on the old channel, or the first video on the new channel. Well, not the first video. This video on the new channel, which will be the last video on the old channel. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time, and goodbye.